Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be dismantling the Skoda Yeti door mirror. I'll be removing the glass, the mirror cover and the indicator lens. Here I had a mirror that was damaged, so I could work on it and remove these parts for you. To remove the glass, press the mirror onto one side, bottom or top, so you can have some space with a plastic tool. Get in behind, in between the glass and the mirror, and then gently wriggle it out. It's only held on by clips, and then you'll need to unplug. If it's heated, unplug the mirror glass. Next, for the mirror cover, these tabs here, you'll need to release, and then first you'll need to pull out the top part of the cover, and then it slots in diagonally, so you'll need to pull it diagonal to the front of the car, so like this, and that's how it slots back in. As you can see, here are the tabs on the inside of the mirror cover, and then the slotting pieces. For the indicator, there are two Torx screws to the bottom. These are small, and once you do remove these screws, the indicator will come off quite easily, and all you need to do is unplug the indicator light. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel.